In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make Instagram content that drives sales. Number 1, know your audience. Identify your target demographic, understand their age, interests, and online behavior. Analyze your audience pain points. Determine what problems your product or service solves for them. Understand their purchase journey. Map out the steps they take before making a purchase. Number 2, create high quality visuals. Product photography. Use professional looking photos that showcase your products from different angles. Lifestyle content. Show your products in real life settings to help customers visualize using them. Video content. Create engaging videos that demonstrate your product's features and benefits. User generated content UGC. Feature photos and videos from satisfied customers to build trust. Number 3, write compelling captions. Highlight key benefits. Focus on how your product or service solves a problem or improves the customer's life. Use storytelling. Create narratives that connect with your audience on an emotional level. Include social proof. Share testimonials, reviews, and success stories. Create a sense of urgency. Use language that encourages immediate action, such as limited time offer or while supplies last. Number 5, utilize Instagram shopping features. Instagram shop. Set up an Instagram shop to showcase your product and allow customers to purchase directly from the app. Product tags. Tag your products in your posts and stories to make them shoppable. Instagram checkout. Enable Instagram checkout to streamline the purchase process. Number 5, implement effective calls to action (CTAs). Use clear and concise language. Tell customers exactly what you want them to do. Examples of CTAs are shop now, learn more, visit our website, use code, and then you put a discount code. Place CTAs strategically. Include CTAs in your captions, stories, and bio. Number 6, leverage Instagram stories. Product highlights. Create stories that showcase your product's features and benefits. Behind the scenes content. Give customers a glimpse into your brand's culture and processes. People like seeing that. Interactive stickers. Use polls, quizzes, and question stickers to engage your audience and gather feedback. Swipe up links if eligible. Drive traffic to your website or product pages. Countdown stickers. Create urgency for sales or events. Number 7, run targeted ads. Instagram ads. Use Instagram ads to reach a wider audience and target specific demographics. Retargeting. Retarget users who have previously interacted with your brand. Shopping ads. Use shopping ads to showcase your products directly in users' feed. Number 8, track and analyze your results. Instagram Insights. Use Instagram Insights to monitor your content's performance. Google Analytics. Track website traffic and conversions from Instagram. A/B testing. Experiment with different content and CTAs to see what works best. Here are some key considerations. Consistency. Maintain a consistent brand voice and visual aesthetic. Authenticity. Build genuine relationships with your audience. Value. Provide valuable content that goes beyond just selling your product. By implementing these strategies, you can create Instagram content that effectively drives sales and grow your business.